the? Again. Although at least it didn't happen to me this time. Wow. What an idiot. Wow. It was red for at least a few seconds. Yeah, that Subaru ran. Hyundai runs. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm just right in front of the guy. What? That guy's just gonna keep sitting. That's the red light runner. What the hell are you doing right on the shoulder? I don't get it. Can we cut the corner any more than that? Oh, you dumb bicyclist. You're in the right turn only lane. Huh? Florida.
Some ice cream on the floor. Now, put it on the floor. Drop that shit. I wouldn't know you.
Why are you like?
They don't like that shit. Like,
you're going the wrong way.
Some shit off the floor. She would do. Anybody got the mother that hit you with a shoe?
Sitting there. Wow. A little close, aren't we? Oh. Someone lost something, a bag full of. So it looks like insulation. Whoa, damn. Heart attack much? Oh my god. Fucking Subaru. This is the number. What?
So we have this moment of regret.
Yeah, great. You're gonna make me almost run it.
And then
damn, that was close. Mercedes.
Blow a kisses bye-bye. Tell mom and you love her. We'll go playing
every single goddamn red light.
But first,
you're just gonna run.
With two more things out there.
That's a dumb move. You got a headlight out. That's a blatant runner way up there, that Ford. What the hell? It's kind of like a roundabout here. Wow. He nearly had on that motorcycle there. A few on your cell phone. go? Are you gonna go? You're just gonna sit there. Oh, jeez, he almost turned in front of a bus. Yeah, look at that guy. He's just sitting right there at a green light. His light's green, and he ain't moving. And it's totally clear. What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, thanks a lot. Are you kidding me? What the You're... Thanks a lot. Oh man, that's close. Oh my god, the guy's in the middle of the intersection. Let him go. Wow, you're just gonna sit in the middle of the intersection. BMW, what are you doing? And of course you're gonna run the red. Of course you're gonna run the red light. Oh, you're just gonna cross like... Oh, what the fuck's going on? What the hell's that shit? And yet again, we must run. Oh, douchebag. Car door, someone, anyone. What the hell are you doing? Wow! What the hell? 2 cars at once. You did. Are you taking up both lanes?
Why do you play with
oh, you suck.
Why do you play with my
You can only turn right on red from the right lane. Come on. Ooh, right through a stop. What the hell was that? And you're left turn lane. People always screw up here whenever I come here. It's crazy. They're just sitting there. And I think the guy's on his phone, or he's put his hand down from his face, which the big one behind him is probably not happy about that. Come on, go. Go.
Unless I hollow voice the Mr. Pop, 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 yeah. But if it don't stop, I have to put my shit in reverse, go back and...
Anticipation. signal. I'm gonna put her in the video. Yeah, he needs to be in the left lane. Those things are 9.6, I know. I drive one very similar to that. Oh, last minute, but okay, good. This guy doesn't.
We really care. Whatever we get, we share.
Come on. Come on. Speed up, Jersey. You had to be in front of me, Jersey. Come on. You're making my home state look bad. Come on.
We all agree.
It must have been Louise who gave it to him. Now she got it from Harry.
Both lanes are taking to the same place. What are you doing?
And everybody knows that Marie got it from me.
Nope. Can't do that.
Manganese and mercury, molybdenum, magnesium, dysprosium, and scandium, and cerium, and cesium, and lead, precium,
Alright.
platinum, plutonium, palladium,
Ford.
lithium. I know those of you that are expecting family entertainment tonight are sitting back shocked going, did he
I
just
thought you were really gonna run that.
or pussies?
Keep my sunshine, come with me.
You got a brake light out. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? They go first, not you. Oh, you suck. Red. Oh, that's gonna be great. This is fucking wonderful. You don't need to take a turn that fucking wide. You're in a right turn lane. Why are you merging left?
There's no one ahead of you.
You love your life in Jesus.
What are you doing?
That's just Jesus laughing at your queer tattoo.
You're going 45 on a 65 expressway and I can't get back to the right.
Guess you got that tribal band from the tribe
And you're on your cell phone.
to the land of queer.
Fucking moron. What? Why would you do that? Two trucks like that. Plenty of room behind them, and yet you had to do that.